A dairy brand was eager to compete in the growing alternatives market with a new plant-based cream cheese concept, but they were new to the plant-based race. Their R&D team was falling behind with shelf stability issues and textures that had a gritty mouthfeel or were too soft or too hard. They needed a quick solution to get on the fast track. Enter the plant-based experts at Ingredion. Working closely with the manufacturer, we examine the application from every angle. Then, we put our plant-based know-how to good use, identifying ingredient components and synergies to create the best texture and mouthfeel, plus good-for-you label claims. With a product now well-tuned for success, the manufacturer was off to the races. When you need a solution to speed up innovation, reach out to the experts at Ingredion. Ready, set, go.